Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by defining concrete goals and capturing current cash flow. First, write 3 goals, short, mid, long, and assign target amounts and deadlines. Then, log 1 month of income and expenses so you know what's available. Once done, allocate funds into the 50/30/20 split to prioritize necessities, wants, and savings. This gives you a working plan right away. Make sure to set one automatic transfer to savings so you build the habit without thinking about it. Once your budget runs, focus on security and leverage. You build a small emergency fund first, then grow it to 3 to 6 months of expenses so unexpected events don't derail progress. Next, list every debt with its interest rate. Prioritize repayments by APRA to reduce total interest, or choose smallest balance for momentum if that motivates you. Also automate bill payments and split accounts for spending, savings, and bills so you avoid late fees, and keep your plan enforceable with minimal daily effort. You finish by optimizing and setting a review rhythm. Each month, compare actual spending to the budget and adjust categories by small increments so the plan stays realistic. When income rises, direct a portion to savings or extra debt payments to accelerate goals. If balances get tight, troubleshoot quickly. Cut variable spending by 10%, pause non-essential transfers, or call providers to renegotiate rates. If refinancing is an option, consider it for high-interest debt. Make sure to document changes and keep automation aligned with new targets.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.